The church in Vágs is built in the New Gothic style. Architect Sophus Johan Hofgaard of Trevøyer created the architectural design. The church is reminiscent of the traditional Faroese churches, with the steeple to the west and the chancel to the east. Priest Jakob Dahl laid the cornerstone, and the church was consecrated on the 19th of February, 1939. The nave is quite spacious and is inspired by the classic style of architecture. There are 20 pews on each side of the church, each accommodating some 10 to 12 people. The chancel is 7-sided. The altar cloth was sewn by Brynhild Holm, and altar silver was donated. The altarpiece, entitled Jesus Talks with the Congregation, was painted by Thomas Wegener around 1840 to 1850 and was acquired by the church in 1956, the same time as the hymnal boards were acquired. The baptismal font was crafted by Johan Wimikladali. Around 1950, the church received a model sloop of the Albert Victor from Helena Frias from Denmark. The model sloop City was acquired in 1975. To the left of the entry is a bronze relief of Jakob Dahl, which was unveiled on the centenary of his birth in 1978. The apostles along the walls were a gift. In 1973, central heat was installed in the church. In late 1983, a new organ was installed, replacing the one donated by the brothers Jakob Dahl and Pieter Hans Dahl. The clock in the steeple was purchased from Germany in 1908. Vágs Church is one of the few churches in the Faroes that has a church choir. In 1939, Edith Dahl took the steps to found the church choir, Leom, which has continued on until this day and has nurtured many a famous singer.